Okay. All right. So, John, I'm definitely, you mentioned USCIS, and definitely I'm going to talk about the government, but a little later. But before I move into that, I actually would again like to ask my team, because I'm sure you are very busy. And also, I don't know if you get enough time to read all those comments that you get on your social media and also from people all over, basically. So, if you can please respond to them right now. So, if I can ask the control again to please post the screenshots of those messages and those comments, and we would like to get a reply for them from you.
Sure.
Great. So there is, I can't see the name actually. Okay. Okay, so William said something. He said, "You're fighting the good fight, indeed, Jonathan. Keep up the good work." And I encourage others in that situation to reach out to you. What would you like to say to William?
Yeah, so Bill Stock is somebody I've known for a while. He works at a great firm in Philadelphia, and yeah, he's one of the brighter minds in immigration law. So it's good to hear from him.
Amazing. Let's move to the next comment, please. Okay, this is about actually Sridhar's case, so maybe we can take it later. But if we can please move to yeah. So Charles is here, and Charles also says, "Congrats, great work, make them pay." And what would you like to say to Charles?
And Chuck's another person I've known for a long time. A
Okay.
great guy down in Atlanta. Has a really good firm down in Atlanta. But we've been working against stupid government decisions for a long time. He does some litigation into addition to his petition practice. And so a lot of these issues that we're fighting, will bounce off of people like Chuck.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And Roman also says that this is awesome news, Jonathan. Thank you for sharing. What a win. So, and then I would like to read the next comment also. He says, "This is incredible, Jonathan. Way to go." And so, if you can, basically everyone is congratulating you on your big win. And you're going to get these a lot more because you have also had a recent win where you posted, I think, a couple of hours back. So, you're again going to get a lot of messages. So, if we can get a message for all those people from your side.
Yeah, I mean, it's just don't give up hope is the main thing. Is that like I said in the post, the government can screw up your life within seconds of making a stupid decision. It's going to take you a long time to fix it, but you can fix a lot of these problems.
Yeah.
And that's what we do. We're problem solvers, and so don't give up hope would be the big takeaway, I would say.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the lovely message.
Are you an IT consultant seeking a new opportunity? We offer job placement services for US citizens, green cards, EADs, and visa holders. We also sponsor various work visas like H-1B, E3, TN, and green cards. 20 plus years of experience in the industry. Exceptional employee benefits. Highly rated by our employees. Global presence with 200 plus recruiters and direct clients. Connect with us. Call us on the number 833-412-8472 or mail us at support@higheritpeople.com or visit our website www.higheritpeople.com.